Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So you go to your Instagram app. Here you click on the home page, which is your first icon below. After that, you click your messaging icon, which is at the top right. And then here you click on the pen and book icon, which is at the top right also. After clicking on it, you search on who you want to add to your group. Let's say, okay. After selecting the people you wish to add to your group, you can name your group at the top. And after that, you click on Create Group Chat. Then you can edit the settings by clicking on the title of the group. You can change the theme, change the people you added, and change your chat controls. That's how to create a group or a broadcast channel on Instagram. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.